how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can review the deck again in Anki. So basically with this one, I have anew and I've already learned to. So let's go ahead and reset this. So click browse, and then in here basically you have your due and all of this are new. So let's go ahead and organize this just to see the ones that I've reviewed already. So it's going to be these cards right here. So in order to reset it, you just want to make sure to highlight everything. So in my case, I'm just going to highlight this two right here, but of course you could highlight as many as you want to. Now click the cards option, or you could press C on your keyboard, which will open this up. And then once inside this drop down menu, click reset. Just check everything inside this pop-up menu, click OK, and now it will revert back to the new right here. And so basically we could review it again. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.